Well, class, today we're going to learn how to copy and paste information into a Google Doc. So we are here on to our lesson, our current lesson, and we've already created the Google Doc using this tutorial. So we're going to scroll down here to the items we have to copy and paste. So right here we have our email and Gmail terms to be copied and pasted into your Google Docs. We are going to select all that, and you do this by bringing your mouse cursor up here in front of the first word, and you click down on the left mouse button. So the one that usually is right under your index finger. Click down on the left mouse button, and you're going to drag that cursor down until it's selected all the text. You keep on dragging it down to the end here. And now all the text you want to copy should be highlighted in blue. And there's two ways to copy it. One is you can hit the other mouse button or the right mouse button, and when you do that, up will pop a menu. Again, I apologize, it's in Spanish, but here we have to copy. So we click on that, and we've copied it. The other way to do it is if you look on your keyboard, find the control button down the very bottom left corner, which is CTRL, and then the C button. And you're going to push those at the same time. So you're going to hold control and then push C with one of your fingers, and that also copies the text. Then, now you've copied that text, you're going to come up here to your Google Doc, and somewhere in the text you are either going to right-click again, so you'll right-click on the mouse button, and up will come this menu, and you have paste here. Or if you look off to the side, you can see the shortcuts for this. So notice on copy, Control-C, which is what we use to copy it. Now paste, you can either click right now on paste, or you can hit Control-V. So we're going to go back out of this menu real quick by clicking off, or hit Control and then V all at the same time, and there you go. You copy and paste your text. Now you can start to define it or work with this text as required in the lesson. Thanks.